How to buy call options on Robinhood or how to place an options trade on Robinhood. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Vipin Visnath and today I'll guide you on how you can buy call options or place a option trade on Robinhood. Now the process itself is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, what you want to do is you want to open up your Robinhood application and make sure you're logged into your account. There you want to head into simply a particular stock or ETF that you will like to trade options on using the search bar at the bottom of your screen. Now in my case there is no any search bar, as you can see. It's because I haven't verified my account and there is no any I haven't added funds to it, or I haven't linked my bank account. So once you have done so, you'll get the search bar, so you'll be able to search for particular stock or ETF from the search bar easily. Once you search for it, you want to simply head into stock detail page, and there you'll get the trade options. Right, you want to simply tap on trade, and there you'll get the option that says trade options. Simply select trade options and you'll be good to go. So this way you can buy call options on Robinhood. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.